Good morning, children. Shall I go to the second unit now? The second unit prose is A Nice Cup of Tea, which is an essay written by the famous English author George Orwell. It is a discussion on the craft of making a cup of tea. George Orwell finds 11 outstanding points for the preparation of a cup of tea. He regards them as 11 golden rules. One should use Indian or Ceylonese tea. The teapot should be warmed. The tea should be strong. It should be stirred well. It should be drunk out of a breakfast cup. And the cream of the milk should be removed. And he suggested drink tea without sugar because the sugar destroys the flavor of the tea. And then he advises us to try drinking tea without sugar. Totally, his rules are the golden principles, not only to him, but to all the lovers of tea also. The poem of the second unit is Our Casuarina Tree, which was written by the famous Bengali poet Tordet. Our Casuarina Tree is an autobiographical touch based on sentimental poem. In this poem, Our Casuarina Tree, Tordet recollects her happy childhood days. The poet is delighted to see the casuarina tree through her casement. She sees a grey monkey sitting like a statue on the top of the tree, the cows grazing, and the water lilies springing in the pond. The poet feels that the tree is dear to her, not for its impressive appearance, but for the nostalgic memories of her happy childhood that it brings to her. She strongly believes that nature communicates with human beings. The poet could communicate with the tree even when she was in a far-off land, as she could hear the tree lamenting her absence. The poet consecrates the tree's memory to her loved ones who are not alive. She expresses her wish that the tree should be remembered out of love and not just because it cannot be forgotten. The poet immortalizes the tree through her poem Our Casuarina Tree. Thus, this is an autobiographical sketch of a poet. Now, let's see the supplementary reader of the second unit. The title of the supplementary reader is Life of Pi, which was written by Jan Mortel. We are going to learn an interesting story of Pi, who was left in a lifeboat alone in the water world. Due to shipwreck, many were stranded in the Pacific Ocean. Pi was also left in the lifeboat all alone. Pi came to know that there was a Bengal tiger named Richard Parker and a hyena in the boat. Pi was splashed with sea salt water on his face, but the boat was not pulled and drawn by the storm. The sharks were beneath the boat, hopping here and there. Pi was pinned by weakness, having had no food, water, or even sleep for nearly 3 days. As he looked around, he was shocked to find Richard Parker. Strangely, his thirst overpowered his fear of Richard Parker, and he went about exploring for fresh water. A little later, he succeeded in his search when he found stacks of cans of drinking water. Pi came back of life and his senses after drinking the elixir of life. He understood that it was Richard Parker who helped him survive for 227 days. Then he realized that Parker, who scared him earlier, brought him peace, purpose, and wholeness. At last, Pi left Richard Parker in a jungle and he was reunited with his family. Dear children, I hope so you have learned 2 units clearly. We shall revise the third unit in the next video.